The circular pattern tool is used to create a polar array of an existing model feature. In my drawing I have a 40 millimeter diameter cylinder that is 5 millimeters high with two 5 millimeter diameter holes. One hole is located in the center of the model. The second one is located 15 millimeters from the center. To access the circular pattern tool, we'll go to the pattern section and we'll choose the button here. The dialog box should appear. The first thing it's going to ask you are to identify the features that you would like to duplicate in a polar array. In this case, I want to select this particular feature here, the hole. Next comes the rotation axis. Now, if your drawing does not have an axis going through the middle or a work axis, you can actually select the feature itself and it would determine its axis based off of its circular shape. So when you click on the actual cylinder, it produces the axis based off of the shape itself. So next comes the placement. Right now we have 6 items. We're going to change that to 8. We want our items to go 360 degrees, so a complete circle, and we'll hit the OK button. We have completed the circular pattern tool.